Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your Windows backup file configuration on your Windows computer. So basically, if you have deleted a current user and you have system backup files for that user and you just want to revert it back to default, the default unconfigured state, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So we're going to go about starting this by opening up the start menu. Type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. You want to right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I'm going to have a few commands in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy each one at a time. So the first one is a registry entry, so just copy it and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. Hit enter on your keyboard. Now we're going to run the second command here, so just copy that from my description again. Same manner we pasted in the first one. If there is any automatic backups, it should delete it, otherwise it cannot find it because there is none on my computer, but you guys should have something on your end. And then finally there is one more here we're going to paste in. And again, since it didn't have anything to delete, that's why it's saying that, but if you did have any backups saved, it should be cleared out at this point. So a pretty straightforward process. Would suggest restarting your computer at this point, and hopefully your issue has been resolved and the Windows Store backup has been restored to default. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.